Here's a quick walk around of my Tern Verge P9. I ride this thing quite a bit. I don't have to do many upgrades to it because I just love it the way it is. But what I have done recently is I went ahead and bought some Woody's Fenders. He hand makes them. The thing I like about them is how sturdy they're mounted. They don't vibrate, they don't make noises. A lot of plastic fenders do. I've even ripped a few plastic fenders. And they work really well. It's kind of a wet, nasty day, and I'm in pretty clean shape. Another upgrade that I did recently, because I was sick of swapping pedals, is I went ahead and bought some inexpensive flat pedals on one side with lock-ins on the other. And that makes it nice when I do longer rides. This way I can lock in and get a little bit more pedal efficiency. Since it's wet out, I have rain gear, extra coats inside my basket. The basket's a nice upgrade. I did that. I've had that for a while. That was one of the first things I got when I decided to use this as a grocery getter. Definitely, basket comes in handy. There's my walk around of my latest updates to my Tern folding bike. It may look funny, but it's fast enough, it's fun, it's very comfortable to ride, and I love it.